kick, kick, and hop, hop, pivot, and swing. Open leg front. Hola a todos, my name is Natalia from the Bilingual Mami, and I just wanted to share with you guys a tutorial about the Champeta challenge from Shakira's Super Bowl. So if you haven't watched her tutorial yet, she teaches you how to do the Champeta challenge, but unfortunately it's only in Spanish. So I've been telling you guys for a long time how us bilingual people were like a bridge for two cultures. So that's why I decided to do this tutorial, because if you're not really a dancer and you don't know Spanish, it's gonna be like pretty much impossible to learn the dance because it's kind of hard, but totally doable. You can do it, I promise. The people that have been posting about the challenge are like pretty much people who do dance, but my goal is that every single person, whether you're a good dancer or you suck at it and you're the worst dancer ever, you're gonna be able to do this challenge, because the point of the challenge is not to be the best dancer ever, but it's to like spread Champeta and spread like our Latino roots throughout the whole world and just be proud, you know, even if we suck at dance. So I'm just gonna break it down slowly so that you can learn it, and I'm gonna teach you in English, step by step. So here we go. So in this tutorial, we're just gonna be doing the first part of the dance because it's kind of really long and it would be a super long video. So this is just gonna be part one, and later on I will do another tutorial with part two. The most important thing that you wanna remember about Champeta is that you're always gonna be down, stick that booty out, get low, come forward, and you're gonna be on your tippy toes. This is just like the formation for Champeta. So in case you haven't heard about the Champeta challenge, basically at the Super Bowl, Shakira brought like this Colombian dance style of music. In Colombia, we have a lot of styles. We have like salsa, merengue, cumbia. But Champeta is like an African roots, Caribbean African root style of dance, which is pretty much only famous in Colombia. And the fact that Shakira brought it to the Super Bowl, it pretty much internationalized this style of dance from Colombia, which is crazy. So for the style of dance, you're gonna be obviously really low, and we're gonna start with step number one. The first step is kicking and switching. It goes kick and change. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you want to keep your upper body flowy, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You got that? That's step number one. Okay, so now we're gonna do step number two, the second move. She calls it piso caliente. That's what Dani calls it, piso caliente, or hot floor. So you're imagining the floor is super duper hot and your feet are burning, and that's what this move is called. So again, get low, stick that booty out, squeeze your abs, and you're gonna go 1 and 2. Kick, kick, together. Kick, kick, together. So you're burning, burning, rest. Burning, burning, rest. 2, down, 1, 2, down, 1, 2, down. In slow motion, it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Got it? That's step number 2. For step number 3, the baseball. This is her signature move. So you're gonna hold your baseball bat, bend over, again, you're a little bit on your toes, and you're gonna hit the baseball bat, and then you're gonna watch, where does the ball go? Try that again. Grab your baseball bat, and ready, set, hit! And look for it, look for it. Where did the ball go? Make sure you look all the way over there, just to keep it, you know, really cool. After that, bend over, you're on this position, and you're gonna swing it. So, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Again, you're on your tiptoes, because if you're out here, It's not gonna work. You're bending down, open, close, open, close, open, close. Your hands are like this, and you're gonna keep your upper body wiggly, wiggly. You got it.
Lo tira, pon de fuego.
Step number 4. Last one. So after you're here, now you're gonna do the scissors. So you're gonna go 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Again, so you go open, close, open, open, close, open. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Again, you're on your tiptoes, bending down. And 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Got it. And now we're down to step number 5. But for right now, last part, again, on your tippy toes, bend those knees, stick that booty out, and you're gonna walk backwards. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Shaking those shoulders, and you're basically just taking it back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Walking it back, walking it back. Your upper body is going like this. Your legs, back, 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 back. But you're adding that champeta flavor to it. So you're gonna be low on your knees. And the knees, tiptoes, and back, 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 back. Disclaimer, my apartment is a total disaster, a total mess. I have 4 kids. I'm super busy. So just ignore my mess. I'm not trying to be perfect, and this is encouragement for you. If you suck at the dance, still post yourself. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about spreading culture, joy, and awesomeness. So let's get to it. All right, so I just want to remind you, this is gonna go super fast when you try it with the music. The first time you're like, oh my goodness, no way. I can't do it. So I want to encourage you first to just try it slow, ignore the music, just feel the beat, but go slow at it, do it several times, and then speed it up. So you can do it, because it's totally doable. And if you can't do it fast, just do it slow and still post yourself, because we want to spread Champeta around the world. Let's try it. We're gonna keep it slow. We're not gonna really do it to the beat, just so that we can kind of do the moves. Okay, kick, 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 kick. All right, ready for hot floor? And 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So you want to be high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low. Your back and hit it, look and win. Again, hit, look and win. Hit and whoop. One more. Okay. 5. Now take it back. All right, so right there I did it super slow for you. Have fun with it. Tag me so I can see you. I'm at the Bilingual Mommy. So have fun, do it, and help me spread Latino culture across the world, especially through English speakers. Kick, kick, and hop, hop, hit it, and swing. Open leg, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and back.